Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're playing Night Mop by Lixian TV. If you don't know who that is, I'll leave a link in the description down below. He is a YouTuber, video gamer, and editor. Yeah. Anyways, let's get right into it. Alright, let's get into it. Let's play Night Mop by Lixian. Play.
Hey, sorry for calling you so
Hello,
late,
Lixian.
but would you mind going by the house and do a quick cleanup? I made a bit of a mess and I need the house cleaned as I have some guests coming over in the morning. Okay, thank you.
No problem, man. My ears are deleted, though, if I'm being real with you. Oh. Where's the move? I'm oh. Excuse me? Lixian? Excuse me? It looks like an old man right there. Who let this old man? It's trash. Left click. Left click. Alright. Tab to task. Mouse sensitivity's fine. Bathroom. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. You didn't see that?
Hey, sorry for calling you so late, but would you mind going by the house and do a quick cleanup? I made a bit of a mess and I need the house cleaned.
Alright, back at it. I'm gonna speed through this real quick because I actually... Okay, back to where we are. Don't press main menu. Press tab. Bathroom. What are you? The bathroom. Who put this paper in the sink? It goes in the trash. Poop all over the floor, Lixian. Bathroom's done. Okay. Alright. Door is locked. Requires the office key. As one oddly bodily shaped. That is bodily shaped. Excuse me? Who's knocking? That was one oddly shaped stain you got there, Lixian. Yeah. Well, my feet make weird sounds on this carpet. I love the stains in the carpet, by the way. There's no sprint button. I shall speed walk my way over to the trash cans. There's somebody out these windows or something, dude. Alright, bottle, trash, this. Let's go. Living room done. Kitchen. Man, this kitchen's a mess. There's a bunch of plates over there. Who keeps knocking? Somebody spilled the milk. Holy cow. Yeah. All in a hard day's of work of cleaning the house, baby. Excuse me? Didn't happen? No. Nope. Nothing happened. These sounds are just the house settling. That's all it is. It's just the house. See, it was just the house settling. That's all it was. ominously foggy hallway we got here, Lixian. Why is your hallway so foggy down there? I don't know, but I'm gonna throw this bottle in the trash. Cause I'm cleaning house, babe. Baby. I would really like it if this person would stop knocking on my windows. Is that rain? It's raining outside? Excuse me? What is this green stuff on the floor, by the way? Did somebody poop in the hallway? Hallway done. Got a key for the office. Oh my Jesus Christ. Hello, sir. And or ma'am. Okay. Didn't happen. Just gonna clean up your poop stains. How many cans you got, homie? Jesus, man, you got cans on cans on cans, buddy. Oh, hey, look, another key. Nothing happened. I don't know what you're talking about. I did not jump. I don't know. Hey, oh, hey, look at that. We're in a dirty bedroom with carpet that I'm mopping. Trash can. Pick up all the little things first. And then mop the carpet afterwards. Can I help you? I didn't think so. Well, what have you been doing in here, bro? Why is there so much trash in this room? You have like a party, dude. Can I help you? Can you stop knocking on my windows? This is the room from the title screen. The bedroom. Master bedroom done. Master bathroom. Something tells me I don't want to go in here, but I do. Trumpet man. Hey Lixian, you got a little something right here, man. There's a little, like a little blood or something on the ground. Look at that, we're done. Stop that. Come back here. What are you doing in my house? Where did you go? Where are you? Okay, we're done. I don't have a map anymore. So we're done. I leave. I leave. I leave. Investigate noise. Who do you think I am? Silly guy. That is loud.
Hey, thank you so much for cleaning the house.
You're
I really
welcome,
appreciate
Lixian.
it. Although you did break a very special and very expensive
Listen to me.
antique and left all the pieces for me to clean, so
Didn't I?
I'll be deducting that from your payment.
I know what you're talking
So
about.
yeah, thanks for that.
You're welcome. I have no idea what you're talking about, Lixian. It wasn't me. I swear. I swear. Okay, well, that's one ending. There's 3 endings to this game. So as I click through next here, thank you to all these people for supporting Lixian. More people. And yeah, go check out his YouTube channel. I'll leave that link in the description below. Go help that man out. Let's go extras. Yes. Yes. Let's go get the other 2 endings. Let's get right back into it. Not gonna listen to that again. Click. Use the WAS to move. Mop. Hello. Can I help you, Mr. Lightning? Boop, boop. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's so many trash cans. Bathroom. Bathroom. Done. Let me in. This oddly body-shaped... Oddly body-shaped stain there, Lixian. What you been doing, bud? Oh, there's a trash can on the couch. I didn't know I was on this couch. Living room is done. Boom. Ooh, professional clicking, baby. Professional at cleaning house, baby. Look at that. Hello. That's kitchen done. Let's go to the ominous hallway. Wish I could pick up more than one thing, you know. Trash cans do help, but you know. Key. We meet again, sir. Look at that. He has 3 eyes. Come back here. Come back. I remember you. I mop so fast. God dang it. I grabbed the key. That scared me. Even though I knew it was gonna happen, man. Whee! Get all these stains first. Stain, stain, stain. Give me the trash. Trash. Just like me at video games. Trash. Blood. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the yuck? What the yuck was that? What in the weird centipede guy? Alright, I guess we're all done here. Oh. Hey, this door leads to the master bedroom. What's that? Hello? Investigate noise, huh?
It might be a little too late to be saying this, but maybe don't go into my house. I remember I kinda summoned a demon and totally forgot about it. Anyways, hope you're good and healthy and alive.
Yep.
Okay, bye.
Very alive. I'm very alive. I'm awake. Alright. There's one more ending. Let's get the last ending. I think I died a little bit, am I gonna lie? I think I died a little bit. We're gonna skip the dialogue, because it's the same dialogue over and over. And let's wash to move. Oh, Mom. Mop. Trash can. Look at me, a professional gamer. Speedrun. Poop. Oh, pick up the trash. I'm speedrunning. Get the stains off the carpet. What did I miss? Another stain on the carpet. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Alvinus. Alvinus. Alright. Alright, pick up the key. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? It's fancy meeting you here. And he's gone. And I think with that, I'm just gonna get the heck out of here, man. That's a nope, not me moment, right? Wow. Very funny. Ow.
Well, glad to know I could count on you to get the job done. Oh, wait, you didn't!
I don't know what you're
You
talking
made
about.
me look like a fool. Thanks a lot.
What are you talking about?
Oh, and also, you're fired.
Nah, you can't fire me, cause I fire me. I quit. Lixian. Well, that was Late Night Mop. So, if you enjoyed and you want more content like this, why don't you go ahead and toss a like, subscribe, ring that bell, leave a comment in the comments down below. And hey, I'll catch you next time. Peace out.